Here is an easy to follow hybrid lash map that will suit most clients. So the first thing I'm doing here is drawing out my map for my classic lashes. Personally, I like to apply my classics first because I like to space them out evenly across the eye, and it makes isolation easier when I apply my volume fans. Feel free to use whichever lengths, curls, and diameters that will suit your client best. Today, I'm choosing to work with flat lashes because they weigh 40% less than a standard classic lash, making them feel super lightweight and comfortable for the client. Another bonus of using flat lashes is they also look darker, making it the perfect option for those clients who want darkness but can't handle higher diameters. Now that our flat lashes are evenly spaced across the eye, I'm now going to add in my volume fans. I'll be bumping my lengths down by 1 millimeter to add soft texture to the set, which you can never go wrong with. For my volume fans, I've chosen Lost Artistry's 3D Ultra Dark Pre-Made Fan Volume line. The reason why is because I find a fan that all clients can handle weight-wise is 3D. And the Ultra Darks are made with a darker finish, but weigh the same as a standard pre-made fan, so I can achieve more darkness without adding extra weight. And lastly, I've chosen a Squirrel Eye Map because I have yet to find a client that doesn't suit this shape. I always use it whenever I'm unsure. And here's how our hybrid lash map turned out. Let us know if you plan to recreate it.